आज आप मुझसे मिल रहे हैं। मेरा नाम अर्चना वर्मा है। आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली इन इंदिरा एन्क्लेव नांगलोई। यहीं पे मैंने अपनी सारी स्टडीज़ करी है एंड अभी भी कर रही हूँ। I got to know about FEA from my sister as she was learning there, and she told me that Arshu, you should also join that.
I have seen in Archana that she is lacking in her confidence and she has some hesitation. So I encourage my sister that you must join FEA.
And after joining FEA, I realized that she was correct. When you enter in the FEA, so it gives you the positive vibes that enhance all the energy of you, that yes, you can do everything and you can go for it.
Archana was a fantastic student. When she came to me first time for regarding admission, so I asked multiple questions, and even I asked her how would you manage your time, because you're also doing job, as well as you're doing CA. But she managed her time quite well. I was highly impressed the way she used to participate in the class, and she was inspiration for other students in that session.
As I am working in a CA firm, so I handle their IT returns also. We have a group of corner teachers. In India, they are doing their job and they all are just unable to understand the Hindi.
Hello, it's me Archana Verma from CA Peeta Sharma and Company.
I took entire files and entire clients and I handled them in a very smooth way, and I communicate with them so easily. FEA also helped me to do that work.
And here I have got your balance sheet also.
My family and my parents are very supportive for me and they are helping me everywhere.
सीए बनेंगे तो क्लाइंट्स हर तरह के होंगे, तो क्लाइंट्स तो सारे हाई फाई ही मिलेंगे, उनको हाई प्रोफाइल ही मिलेंगे, बड़े बड़े कंपनी मिलेगी, बड़े बड़े मैनेजर मिलेंगे उच्च कोटि के। तो बात अब इंग्लिश नहीं होगा तो हैंडल कम कर पाए, पर्सनालिटी नहीं बनती। इंग्लिश आज के डेट में एक इंसान को पर्सनालिटी भी बनाने का वो है, जिससे कहीं पे खड़ा होकर बंदा चार बात बोलता है तो अच्छा माना जाता है कहने का मतलब। इसलिए हमने सभी बच्चों को FEA जो है ज्वाइन करवाया।
She has developed her speaking communication skills also, which is very helpful for her future also.
You are going to do great things. The great things are about to come to you.
My name is Rohit Sikarwar and I am from Agra. My father is tea vendor and my mother is a simple housewife. We are 3 siblings. I am the youngest one and I am a photographer as well. In my past, there was a lot of struggle. From 6th class, I still remember that day when I left my private school just because of we do not have enough money to spend on my education. Most of the time, we ate our one-time meal only. Whenever I met with relatives and my cousins as well, and told me this thing, you will not do anything in your life. So from that day, I decided to learn something and I decided to become something in my life.
Compose. One more.
My friend told me about there is a free coaching going on near your house. So I joined FEA. First day I did not speak anything. From second day I start questioning, and with that questioning my life began to change.
When starting, he struggled a lot. He was struggling to learn English pronunciation, but the determination which he got, it helped him to improve only.
I'm promising. I'll perform. One act of kindness. Toward another person. Every day. FEA is not teaching you only speaking English. FEA is teaching you how to grow in life as well. I started photography, with the help of communication skills, we can get more clients. I learned so many things from YouTube videos as well.
FEA के जरिए आज वो इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल लेता है कि घर में मेरे और कोई भी इंग्लिश नहीं सीखता.
So now I can say that I am earning very much with the help of English and with the help of FEA. FEA grow my attitude, my confidence. I believe FEA is not changing their student life. FEA is changing their family lives as well. And now today I am giving lot of opportunities, lot of work to other photographers. That is good change comes in me, which I like the most.
Most young people from low-income backgrounds receive a poor quality education. This makes it difficult for them to break out from the cycle of poverty. FEA works with youth in the 15 to 27-year age group, a critical time in a person's life. FEA empowers these youth, building and helping realize their aspirations. The program is completely free for the students. It develops English language and personal skills like drive, determination, and self-confidence. To execute its mission, FEA invests heavily in its staff training. Researchers from Stanford, ISB, and other global universities are studying its impact. FEA is incredibly cost-effective given that many FEA graduates more than double their income. It costs only $25 or 1900 rupees per month to change the trajectory of a disadvantaged youth's life. We invite you to join us as donors, mentors, and ambassadors.